Image record. So release attachment of la Caibidil Avenue nuclear. Okay. Now in the text lower image so short fission energy, right? Okay, so fission, fusion and nuclear energy. So release attachment of your fission. Now I give one more check. The couple of cola after it down I can just compact millions in trial fission energy value as they control that. Okay. I guess fusion maybe no fission to go like fusion to me geri to trial go. So time you go over la fission you want me to tell could war nuclear energy stations after it down like using fission la energy after it. Okay, so could you talk? So you my pointer book. Okay, so rather tongue na nucleus more. So switching this we find for add to see now add the nucleus. Okay, so look nucleus more as statue on the nucleus in the squid. Okay, at our COVID in the so the size kernel above the more thereabouts shell a nucleus. So that's fission. Okay, nuclear fission. Okay, so to the left, add the y that's what you should have. Okay, now on any aspragu in nucleus more gentle a torignal to torignal is in Gaelic or bombard. You bombard it with neutrons. Okay, so you just fire neutrons. So you chemical and linear neutrons like it's fired inside. It's yet the neutrons is broken and chemical. So the chemical reaction to have to split into two is due to the bombardment of this neutrons. Okay? Now, talk to the mock can you for you and more than even. So fission produces a very large amount of energy. So and more. So couldn't they 8 million mega or 200 mega electrovolts and nucleus. Okay? Just make sure nucleus. A tiny, I guess the billions like one. Just make sure you energy to that the producer. Now, gentle fresh neutron and of the so extra neutrons are produced. I guess they even fresh part of the water, so extra fission occurs. Okay? So make this in a strike. So even nuclear this is strike. Come lock with the new uranium 235. So shall reducing it to the nuclear plant's uranium 235, right? And you bombard it with a neutron. So short neutron and charge and you've got an uranium 235. Okay? But the ensign shell when good upon you produces splits into two other one with the release of energy. Okay? So at least there's a producer baryon that is krypton. Okay? So at least 144 is 90 and with the excess of two other neutrons. Now, the neutrons in the Gully Wallu nucleus Ella and split that into two and there's a chain reaction and there's condensate. Okay? And this chain reaction is what we use in nuclear plants to produce electricity. Okay, which is okay. Now, the waste, so it's a G barium and it's krypton. Okay? Now, so AU in uranium 235, so get point your high should turn on the chip. Right? My enter uranium 235 at torignal le meridron no le mal neutron, so mer neutron or mal neutron evening shape. Okay, so Harleyan fission. Now in Tushke a Harley evening near the mal neutron if I guess. So if it's a slow neutron, if you bombard that less nucleus it happens in water. So it's Tushke at Darla evening near the mal neutron I guess. Now ni annen go boil it and give it your fast. Right? So ni annen go boil it and nucleus accrued there's an evening for evening could kill it. Have been a mass in the kernel onto there. So they're not identical, they're not producing the exact same, but they're there. So cost of barium of this krypton. Not the same, but there's a covalent of it. Okay? Now, so Balgana Evening I talked to an Tarigi Krugi Church Evening. Okay, as the funny Connecticut. The Balgana Evening shocks these fission reactions. Okay? Or explosions, but Balgana is an explosion, right? So, in these small explosions, when there's a split on a shiny rock, right? It's the kinetic energy. So it's the funny kinetic now Balgana Evening eine Kodges mode in fun. A feature and then you get most of them. Now Balgana region Greva yet the Balgana Evening community are mostly radioactive fission. Now in Mern Meer neutron yet in the neutron is feature feature shen evening pressure as figure so it can produce extra fission. Okay, so in Gilligan Meer neutron was at the origin. You have your fast and small thermal is in a way thermal neutrons. So average connection between energy and acid is called thermal neutrons. The two neutrons in fission require fission fragments. So the product form of fission fragments and the chemistry check will be done. My image will broadly distribution phone the Hamasha is a PowerPoint for last we want to Fisic from the learners to the room in Berkeley in the chapter 31 in Maryland in Berlin and then so just PowerPoint here is on but just depending on the list in Maryland. The products formed are called so many to begin taken. Say Balkan Indian culture. So Balkan Indian solution fission fragments of obscure explosion and investment in completely compatible. I think this is page number 2, right? So there's the neutrons released are fast neutrons. So and may trigger further fission. So fast neutrons. So mere neutron needing coercition when in physics. Like J.J. Medina, neutrons gas. No. No. But gas the J.J. neutrons gas the fast neutrons for semi-80% mere neutron or fast neutrons. But anyway, needed to fire. Right? Now, it is ma irin na neutron when you're in the ska adu anyanta evening are evening bristles by Christian obrus louder. So that causes a chain reaction. So if one neutron from any reaction produces another reaction, then we have a chain reaction. Okay? Now alien reached my neutron and sample about the airway and evening here so unfused I guess ni should file than evening now, ma mediter made and tamper afa thereabouts straffer made and are made critical in the tarling and operate. So there's a certain amount where the critical reaction will occur and hence a chain reaction will occur. Okay? So gas uranium 335 being made yet you need to put the size of a tennis ball of uranium 235. The rest will be there in the Fellow's Mission Impossible. Actually the Fellow's Mission Impossible. Wine in journal not death threatening can revision course protocol includes law is have on the 3 ball dog uranium 235 and so at least that's just like quick matches 3 balls, right? Size of tennis balls, right? So gas uranium being made later Yadiga guess shen mass half of 10 kg, so about 10 kg of uranium 235. Now so this is your chain reaction problem. So Tarling so you bombard uranium, land neutron, and it produces 2 further rods at with the excess of more neutrons, and then the chain reaction occurs. Okay? Now, Shin is a nuclear reactor. Right? So at the diagram Shin, out the addition of Hadage, art level, out the addition of Hadage, it is the aluminium came orange. Okay, so you need to be able to produce that drawing. to moist the gabel. Okay? Agus céine obrintse. Now, so mark this sin. These are your fuel rods, Margie Broslet. Fuel rods, Stihu should that's your shield, lead shielding after the tank, your concrete. Your wheeler engine is your controller. Okay? Real Margie, that's your controller. Zero wheeler in Merlin. Moderators, you know, I guess go ahead and through who's in, so you have your circulating fluid to go half the lay on your queer. Now, Harlan Shaw, the Molitor Chas and Shaw, so this here heat exchanger, so couldn't just wear because they do heat up really well. Okay, so these quite big on your steam. Okay, now, so can they operate, right? Now, uranium nitrate, no uranium attached slightly here, bagan le uranium 235 Uster Normagia broth. So that's your fuel rods. So the main uranium, and then you can this is your uranium rods and the shot in the plant. So she need to go to shot and she ask me Normagia broth. Now, ask Krua on the wall cadmium, no boron, agent in the real. So the steel to control the fuel rods. So smooth yes or Sean, this is your fuel rod, and then because she's a mullen the fuel rods and then we have your controllers, right? So it controls your moderators. So it moderates the amount of energy produced. Do you get it? So you can control the chain reaction. So you got chain reaction you either gas it or you can stop it. Okay? So the least this is sin jante from the real modi jante the grey Mars Krua so steel on the wall cadmium no boron. Okay? Now, Moline shed and Temobru, the recorder is shot in Cree Yakin and M. Obrahari. So once when she's shot had a fuel rod, it controls the amount of energy produced. Now, stopping shed and Temobru, the anti-circle homing. So if we completely cover the fuel rods with the steel, Tajanta as boron, no cadmium, stopping some chain reaction. And that's basically the part. It stops the chain reaction and stops the production of fission. Now, for stopping and Temobru, the uncircle homing yet made it a rete and Emobru the remer harin yet the month. So the chemical reaction will increase. You slow hand the steel down the rods. Does that make sense? Okay? Now, graphite, no eschatron. Now, lots of it didn't mean in chemistry. There's nothing to pot is eschatron. Okay? Now, it's not eschatron, it's one for more eschatron. It's a certain kind of water D2O, not H2O, it's D2O. So, whatever that is. Right? So, be your eschatron. So, usage of graphite, no eschatron, usage more mulvera. That's your moderator. So Malin chain a neutron, so it slows down the neutrons, and therefore you can control the chain reaction. So Malin chain a neutrons and it's gesprechen in nutrasje van uranium 235 shahas away onto an uranium 238. So these the other moderator shot we can produce more fission by slowing down the neutrons, and therefore we create more neutrons, more chain reaction. Okay? Now, so boiling the neutron free nucleus and tatu, so wheeler rod and modeling it, so it slows it down. Okay, how should we get for an lecture? Oppenheimer? The lecture from him, Oppenheimer, no? Adam? No? It's a heavy thought. It's a talk. Alright? Now, release Burma Atoma, so it's an atomic bomb. It was released. The bomber even talked to Likele in Santoban or a late piece of Arena on the world mass throw critical. So they take two pieces together and then the releasiness of the bomb with a willet bomb, a talu, and a yes substance together creating a massive chain action and just rip us a freak Hiroshima many moons ago. Now to be back in us Nahoni Hiroshima city more token as Alicia, but at least Mahin to be on. And there are well in the atomic bomb, the DDB just cost that with the species of tried, but the Aldous shadow intention, I got imprinted as just copper. Because they were just evaporated. Like you wouldn't even feel it. The well in atomic bomb, there's a major energy, similar wave energy shut off within split seconds, and you're just evaporated. Like you Caibidil hot fire, you just gone. And then, but just though you evaporate as on car, like in shadow, the car, it is gone. It's quite interesting, like what the least the Harvey's at the end, right? Now, Grander's in the bunch of Einstein or something, because it was the thing at the time of creating an atomic bomb. And then they released it to the Hiroshima, which is a bunch of vehicles, which had fit, and didn't want to get involved in politics. But why did the Oppenheimer film, because world did the communism and all that kind of stuff, you're going to be doing there, and using this there now. Right, so these is about communism against Hitler and the Russians and all that kind of thing. Okay, but anyway, you know that so Italian and multi-spiral, a chain reaction occurs uncontrolled, near reality. So it's uncontrolled, so not William Doherty. The war against Gator made all war points, so the amount of energy release will just wipe out the whole thing. Now, plutonium 239, uranium 235, and tau anti-6. Okay, agustinus starsalancha da Hiroshima Attentat. There's just about radiation fiantation for years, but yeah, radiation is actually really back now. The last Napoleon he said with much past Chernobyl, for instance, right, it's still a for Chernobyl. Oh, right, okay. Then radiation leaks at all, but near them, so we have above ground away. Now, there's the intention is for okay, now, yeah, we're now him operate in an example that so the fact so these cars are just about what is in a nuclear reaction or nuclear energy or the example that. So mainly direct me and uranium. So mining for uranium into the water. Obviously CO2 gases, machines like your feature gas radon, there will feature a tohaj, a gourmet uranium, uranium, tugan and radon, as skawagate on the minatory, I guess basically ever radio thing where a lemnisphere main so in the atmosphere limit and supposed to mine up the radiation is impossible. Right? Now, syndicate, so mining is not good. Okay? Daniken and Tower Radio Gniwa have it last date in Obrehar. So Harley chance to see in Obrehar the scale radio Gniwa mass and atmosphere, then the skate where a ma as an chorus query. So it's annual Harley draw temperature, I will say Tobasha a ma as a ma, the scale heat. Kind of the order radio Gniwa a mass and atmosphere. Chernobyl and Arctic or Nijig partnership. So at least Harley Chernobyl in 1986. That's going to be even the Holy Chernobyl in short lifespan. First you get ahead. Then you beat the Bjork, he did a field Chernobyl in this to have a short life. So have a 30, 40 years. So you did the shock when you started. First you Chernobyl when you could vote and you have the shock. First you Chernobyl when you started, and that gives them that extra 2 or 3 years lifespan plus the theory instead of some of them. They're doing the whole lot behind our parts of that. Okay? Now, here's another one, approach on nuclear, so the waste rods, out in the two rods, this is the waste factor, they just don't disappear, the waste them. Okay, so I want to mark with the harder, so store. Now, so but in the mighty brass the ma as an clear lacken agus carta a length where he yet honey to fuere. Now talk the Guji station across a luncheon on uranium agus and plutonium a scary unlock no from the west. Agus in Shen Binchi Akrana and Tawashaw out. So these recently Shen and Kaisa the store. Now where these stores? Now we rumors about plastic, the road could war dumped, fargy dumped, the Muita, Farines, and so on. So the nuclear plant Tesco Stellafield in Sasson. Tesco the nuclear plant Sasson Stellafield. Right, so Clinton Sasson nuclear plant and the attack tied nuclear plants for people who are going to need it, for all going to need it to produce energy. But anyway, the Can developing information direct Grosha Kogra Bollywood and the Foster, he's for Watford, Wexford, he's happy Melissa. And he's Kogra the son, I guess that 75% of illnesses own abolishing comes from radiation, comes from cancer, which is Jan goes a link that developing that we said the storal, which is the storal fuel rods, waste leaks and that you get at this that's in the beginning. So that's in just the comments. So as the Ken Jonathan drama radio radioactive for the person. Radioactive waste. Alright, so it's in the waste drama. Right, so you were in a field carrying a storage of flying tower to the watt over and the going to a half a year. Yeah, you have to store the waste for years until it becomes not radioactive. And that's the problem with the nuclear waste. So I really love to get the whole spaceship to this. Get the pump on one space. Probably will come to that eventually. Like, that's why it's going to be edit down from 100. Now, hopefully you'll get fusion sorted. Now, if you use fusion sorted, then the whole world will have free energy. That's the beauty of fusion. Okay, how should they go about now? So the cream shot. So you get 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of fission energy, right? So for function, when you fantastic, near astia CO2, so just produce any CO2, near gas capacity, I can say bread needs to broth on this, so no broth on this. We want us to bedrock the championship and from Kusha, waiting the more Dramalia, the category, so a lot of waste, I guess the resparkage scheme, yeah, so that's due to Costa 9/11, what would you call that? Annual, with terrorists, with a terrorist attack. It's the illegal terrorist attack, I think, Baldwin. Okay, you could have a terrorist attack or anything. I think could be anyway. My head, and I would really give it a shot and allow a recap. So it goes into the wrongness. Okay, so all that kind of warfare, Russia, and all that. Okay, that's the disadvantage. Now, take another list of fusion. How should I actually go for a fusion? From you to the gala. Then, fusion is made from hydrogen gas, which we have an abundance of into the, and therefore it can be produced quite easily, but just needs to add the chain reaction and control level for. Now, this is hard because fusion is the postulate while Rodney substance really cheap, but it has to be as hot as the center of the sun. So the case keep this with thousands and thousands of degrees. Okay, so it has to be really cheap. Now, so sorry over that. Now in asking nucleus spaghetti killer, so it's the reverse of fusion. Fission. Fusion is the reverse. It's going to Bartla kill. Right? So they're asking nucleus spaghetti killer on nucleus nispo yenu sin kolye nuclear. Now the nuclei locked with Jarafa, positively charged, ni hardly kolye a when the bruiser and nucleus at a obruli killer. They force it at the clientelager on antari coulon edru ascari. So the force, now, I'll tell you after obviously there's a force between, so Galway Newton's force between any two bodies, right? So this force, if we just measure in coulomb, is you have to overcome that force. So you need enough energy, then as you push it together to overcome that force. And once you overcome that force, you have energy, right? So the shiny energy charge here to actually produce that. Okay? Now, so when shiny energy to get a nucleus ahead, which is shorty react extremely hot. So it needs urging that 10 to the power of 8 Kelvin. And 3 liters and 10 per rate. So that's 2 million billion trillion bit, trillion degrees Kelvin. Okay? Now, so we can the units of that, right? Now, the isotope hydrogen, so these do the isotope. Yes, margin. Now, so the isotope hydrogen the mass helium, called the isotope hydrogen the mass of the dot. Right? On isotope helium a formula the scale gamma with release of gamma radiation. Okay, now scale part with the number in nucleus shot, that equals restriction is community plus again scale more carbon is fusion. So for fusion, it's hydrogen the mass of the helium plus hydrogen the mass of the dot, revert the helium and it produces helium with the release of gamma radiation. Now helium is not 4-2, it's 3-2, it's a test one shot. Okay, so it produces that isotope helium because the release is not 4-2, it's unstable. Is it okay? Right. Now, so 3 carbon is the number of a nuclear shot, at least now, so 3-1, that's all they know. You want to shouldn't give us a Charlie. Obviously, these walls and this would outdated. It's not all that, or even 2002, I think, being first year of physics and stuff. So it's a long time to have 20 years of information as to the world. So that's good the cursory physics. Having these on us, the project exam would let in 140% process it always. So like, as I think we should give you hard to shot to 1 day inspection of should be cross that around these all the way to keep it these early thoughts up and then being incorporated the grades and the good ways where you have to produce an experiment and results of the camera on the new ways out using just go to hard to the area which like that. Anyway, on to the funding. Just like the corporate out of when you could have provided imagine we got in your arms of when you had a nigger that it's I really guess but I think we go down the project route. Right. We'll add the co-pilot but they give us an answer like that. Now, for 3-1 to 1 in the code you shahas evening mer fudge quarter. So these can brosle leer rohan abundant. Okay? File go forest the gasir. The speech of made war for your scale, you small for your scale in a and gram, not in function element. The amount of energy can produce per gram than any other sources on it. Okay? Paragon is slew, dramala, reduviva, so very little waste. Fire. Okay? Now, we let came fire go on emobra emu on the fact of funny needs in water and emobra colia, pen emu wadis foster hashi, I guess that emu wadis foster really. Yelan colia. Colia into Jaffer really, I guess a hashi. So very hard to control. But you're getting it. I'd say but you're in 10, 15 years back to the new chapter. Okay, now to sample the M of the colia now really here and down, and that's the hydrogen bomb. Why should you remove the hydrogen bomb? Okay, now the east uncovers Marcia at this point. So wrong little more, right, so we'll add this off in more that. Right, so what's the chance to more that? Thinking about it. Right, but anyway. And communist marshal is funny. Now, a Charlie expressed in communist in 1905, while Einstein got Kenya funny attacks a mass. But mass is a kind of energy. It's a type of energy, right? Now, Boshen, the communist in Yausplay yet and mass is a funny agwards it feel where there's a connection between them all. Okay, so it's major mass a hump out on the funny, I guess funny a hump out on the mass. You can change mass into energy and energy into mass. Okay? So short answer, Pascal's Einstein's famous equation E equals mc squared. So the energy an atom for you in joules equals an atom mass in kilograms really for the speed of light squared. Okay, so that is solved. Okay. Now, M comet mass for you in unmodular nuclei. Right? Now, an M-obri nuclear to mass the target go many different mass na M-obri. The mass produced is different from the mass from the reaction. So there's a difference. So reach what a mass and target is small the mass in the M-obri hyperphony as well need to supply in it. What the mass and target is slow the mass in the M-obri and change total phony mass or energy is released. Okay? Now, so reach bunyan and tattoo or mass M the same phony E a foggle mark no a locky lane the cotton with Jameson. So ancient equation has to work this out. Okay? Now, it is the same ligature for Jana CHS with now, can cal lay Italian radio cooler. So background radiation, so get the journal moment with the shawl journal anyway background radiation. Okay, now as the radio cooler and radio level issue I will get then you not be a fully gala. So we're exposed to it every day. So shawl radio type go needs to jump around. Okay? Now he can quite a smooth in radio cooler or Cariga is clearing down, so it's across the earth. Take up from the Taha or the Cariga. Radiate unspeist meter einem in the cosmos, so cosmic rays start to weird or space, I guess our radio degree was again. So artificially produced substances by us. Okay, and that's where background radiation comes from. Okay? Now, the each Honda radio cooler of horse has indeed is the gigamotor tube. We said in challenge test data, Toshan and Kuyare and Daya adding and it's not always the same. Hooked up to a ball and chalk 20 different times in the blood between 0 and 6, but never the same. So it's random. It's very random. Okay, so it's not the same ether random, the background radiation. Addition during slide. Now, at least a chain what the generalist and the mass. Okay? So we need to leave three sampling for problems 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Addition, destination, or and then some chapters. Okay. Now, for each chapter, the small nutrients lower in the text on the Harmershire PowerPoint, but to ask was good to run the Harmershire PowerPoint with the gap. Huh? On your higher level is an option chapter, so you have a choice. Called the option chapter, so you either do modern physics, or you do particle physics, or you do electronics, applied electricity. So when you go to any program to go in applied electricity, because I like it, right? But we go out and solve it, we follow it on the whole. Like we go to machines, how DC motor works, all that kind of stuff. How they old they you with this relay switch and get to know it. Don't look so because so much hard. But they come with this in a cocked up that way install it. And the far better the Jenny Kelly. The first option, which is particle physics. The particle physics is all key in math here. No diagrams, no much, it's just type a couple of diagrams we're going to very good math and putting them on. And it's all about clear analyzation and so on. Like it's easy with a couple equation over. It's the same stuff you need to have in the table you couple of dates lower and then you talk about all the two particles. Everything. That's basically what it's for. I could back the page, the three diagram but we did CH mark. That's basically what you need to know about this chapter. I guess formula and then chapters and teacher going in each of the chapters we get asked a full question. So you have one chapter to guarantee a full question. And the formulas will be done. Anything test revision is just to say part A, just to answer part A or B. So A is this one, B is this one. So obviously you go to B to A. Okay? I wish you can use A both. Okay? Right, so starting with it, our image ground the destination. That we should be here complicated left. Okay. Right, so merkje kistje over de hierin dat je when the carry litre of petrol, a typical full car tank, are completely burned in air, 1.4 by 10 to the power 9 joules of energy are released. Find the amount of mass converted to energy. Okay, so kistje over de heat. So skilly hot for each skilly shawl lock and sheets. So kistje over de heat to the go said E equals mc squared. Okay, so raise to the question m equals E is gone c squared. So made for you in the rod is 1.4 by 10 to the power 9. Iranter 3 by 10 to the power of 8 squared. Okay. So quite then just start the calculator. Pregre, see if I can make it. 1.56 by 10 to the power of minus 8. Now, gin unit, mass. Unit of mass, kilogram. Yeah, kg. Always. Sound, speed of sound, speed of light. No, you bunch be well. There's a to the guys I guess start like how much energy would 100 litres produce, then you'd multiply that by 2.5. But your shade would be for the distance, so we ignored the 40 litres. Okay, now just over the the mass of the sun decreased by 4 by 10 to the power 6 kilograms every second due to the emission of electromagnetic radiation, sunlight. Find the energy emitted as electromagnetic radiation by the sun is 1 hour. Okay, now, so species ten mass culture, Codumla, so reached 2013, energy reached is 4 by 10 to the power 6. Okay, now, per in 1 hour. So reached some quotation per second. So reached Caibidil for Shaska Bomache for Shaska second. Okay, do you get the next number? Just over 3.